welcome back to another video. Today we got the Lopes Power Tools. Yeah, they do have a sale. It's the Spring Black Friday sale. It says free parcel shipping with my Lopes.com shop now. And also you can pretty much have it shipped to the store near you and pick it up. Let's see here the sales. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Let's go ahead and get started. We do have the Porter Cable for tool, 20 volt max power tool combo kit with soft case, $179 for that. Let's see here. We got the Porter Cable 2 tool 20 volt max brushless. It is a brushless power combo kit for $149. So if you're looking for a brushless kit and batteries are not so expensive, you can get this kit for $149, which is a great deal. Let's see here. This one's not a bad deal either. Well, actually, this is Milwaukee has a better deal of this one, I believe. I don't know if it's yeah, it's Home Depot. Has you buy a kit and pretty much get 2 batteries for free for $129. But if you like Bosch, this is a great kit for you. But then again, you know, you got the 2 free batteries on the other. Yeah, this is the 12 volt max. Yeah, 12 volt tools. All right, this is another good one. I think this is a better buy than the one on the top. This is because you're going to be able to do more work with this 18 volt line than with the 12 volt line. You know, you can drill with concrete and all that stuff. You know, heavy duty use. You got the Bosch 2 tool 18 volts 2 tool combo kit with soft case charger, $149. Yeah, it's a much better deal. Let's see here. We got the Cobalt 2 tool 24 volt max brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, $199. This is not a bad deal. This is the brushless, so that's a good one. Let's see here, Black & Decker. If you want to, you know, if you want a really basic drill and tools, this is only for your DIYs. If you do a lot of projects, I would recommend you at least getting a Cobalt, right? Joby or, you know, Craftsman at least. But yeah, this is your really basic tools. Black & Decker 4 tool 20 volt max or 20 volt tool combo kit, $129. This was another good kit. I personally like the 885, which is this drill or this impact driver. Impact driver, the 885 is a great tool. You got the DeWalt 2 tool 20 volt max tool combo kit with soft case, $159. This is not the brushless and it's not the newest, but this is older model, and this is a great tool. See here, you got the 4 tool 20 volt max brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, $229. Not a bad deal. And this is the brushless. It's a great deal here. Not the best we've seen, because we've seen this for $149. But right now, this is probably the best deal if you want a brushless. If you want to, not the newest out there, but if you want a newer drill and brushless, this is the way to go. DeWalt 2 tool 20 volt max power tool combo kit with soft case, $179. You got the Craftsman V26 tool 20 volt max power tool combo kit with soft case, $299. It's not a bad deal because you get tons of tools there. Craftsman V20 20 volt max power tool combo kit soft case, $149. This is not your brushless, so if you're not going brushless, I would definitely go with this kit. So I would pay my $10 extra and spend it on DeWalt instead of buying this. Just my opinion. Also, we do have the High Touch 3 tool 12 volts max power tool combo kit with soft case. I believe this is the older. It's not a brushless. They are pretty much, they are getting rid of other tools, because they just got bought out, or they just merged with Metabo, and they're getting rid of the Hitachi name, so they're gonna put everything on sale. So watch out. You can always go to Lowe's.com and look for those special items. Those discounted items. DeWalt 20 volt max combo kit, $179. Like I said, this is a much better deal. This one, brushless, for the same amount of money, you get the brushless. You get the DeWalt XR 20 volt max brushless tool combo kit. This is $249. Yeah, see, this is not the XR. This is the newer one, but this is still brushless tool. So, my opinion, a great tool. DeWalt's 3. Oh, yeah, this is it's not on sale. It's not a bad deal either. Yeah, but you only get the flashlight. Never mind. Let's see here. Do we got any more good sales? It's not a bad deal. 5 tool, 20 volt max. Tool combo kit, $3.99. Yeah, but I still think the one on the top is better. The $159. I would definitely get that one if I needed to get one. Let's see here. I know we had a few Hitachi. So this is the Hitachi 10-inch 15-amp web sliding bevel compact miter. So I can't talk today. It's too late. Recording this at night and just tired. I went to the lake here near Phoenix, Arizona. All right, we got this miter saw for $99, just under 100. So it's not a bad deal. And as you see here, Hitachi Metabo HPT. So that's what they're converting their tools to. That's where they're clearancing out a lot of tools. It's a nice miter saw. Let's see here, DeWalt 20 volt max power. Yeah, for the same amount of money, you get brushless over there on the other side, on the other special. This is not a bad deal either. I would definitely get this over to 12 volts. This is the Hitachi tool 18 volt power tool combo kit with soft case, charger included, 1 battery. Oh yeah, it's only 1 battery. That's the only downside. $149. It's still not a bad deal. If you're a DIY, let's see here. Because if you're a professional, you need more than 1 batteries. See if they got any more. If not, then we'll call it today. It's the 3 tool. That's previously viewed. Let's go to number 4. Nope, looks like that's it. 2 batteries, 2 pack, 20 volt. Still too much. Alright guys, I'm not gonna keep you guys. This is probably this is it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.